Good morning, Rockwood South. Today is Friday, January 12th, 2018. It's a B-Day.
Today's lunch choices are breakfast for lunch, French toast, sticks with sausage, links, sweet potato tots.
Bye, Rockwood South. You belong here. Have a happy half day.